What is going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a wonderful week. I'm about to go do some shooting today at the range. I'm going to LAX with my boy Johnny Stenix.
Bruh.
They trying to be
Bruh.
What the fuck? It's gonna be a super lit day today. We're about to get there right now, so let's go.
Few moments later.
All right, guys, we just made it here at the LAX range and ammo. We're going in right now. So we're in the range now, and I gotta fill out a waiver just before we start shooting. So be prepared to fill one of these out.
Close the door behind you. Open only one door at a time. No holstering, no rapid firing, no double tap, no ammunition or firearms on back bench. Any malfunction or complications with a firearm, keep the firearm in the booth and request assistance. Firearms are to remain in the booth at all times. Firearms are not to be moved from lane to lane.
Been a while. Okay, so you have a little flyweight. Overall, it's not bad.
Let's go.
Not bad. Let's go.
Round two. This is one bad day right here. Look at all these bullets.
This area, I only have red, 2 in the blue, and most of them are the red and yellow. Not bad. It is what it is. It's Alan's turn again. Yeah, it's really hot. As you can see, we're sweating. Alright, so now this is shit here. Because there's 3 here. And let's go.
Alright, what do we do?
That's average distance for
There are.
train bearing down on plants. I'm leaving Lonesome Flats. I wish I had another day or two, but I don't have time.
I thought we came early, bro. Alright, that's it. Next time we gotta come back. I'm shooting in the Desert Eagle, bro. Where?
I wish I had another day or two, but I don't have time to kill. You'll probably never see my face again once I make it across the hill.